Hello and welcome everyone to the beautiful course of Operating System for Beginners. This course is for the people who are preparing for competitive exams such as GATE, people who are completing their post-graduation diploma in computer applications, PGDCA IGNOU with IGNOU University or any other university. So it covers all of the basics of the operating system. And the best part about this course is that especially for those people who have a busy schedule and they want to pass out the competitive exams. So it mainly focuses and covers the important questions that have been asked in the previous year examination paper of IGNOU. Okay, so you're going to get all of the cream content so you can simply focus on the most important thing in the least amount of time. So let's see what's included in this course. Well, we're going to cover what is an operating system, generations of operating system, which means history of it. We'll discuss about types of operating systems such as multi-programming, multiprocessing, network operating system, and distributed operating system. We'll also discuss about functions of operating systems such as process management, memory management, and file management. You'll know about processes. What is a process? What are different states of process? How do you implement a process? Concepts like context switching, threads, etc. And you'll know about process scheduling, what is a scheduler, process life cycle, types of the scheduler, such as long-term, short-term, and mid-term scheduler. We will talk about scheduling algorithms. So this is one part that is usually asked in most of the examinations, which is solve the problem using scheduling algorithms. So to build the concept, you'll know about what is a preemptive scheduling and non-preemptive scheduling, and then we'll discuss about how to solve the problems using scheduling algorithms such as first come, first serve, shortest job first, round robin, and shortest remaining time next. These are the four most important topics that are asked in the competitive exam, and we will go in depth and understand how this works. This course will also cover inter-process communication and synchronization. We will learn the inter-process communication with different methods such as shared memory, message passing. We'll learn about inter-process synchronization, critical sections, mutexes, bakery algorithm. And we'll also learn about classical problems in concurrent programming, producer and consumer problem. We'll know what locks are, what are deadlocks, the characterization of a deadlock, which means when does deadlock occur, about the mutual exclusion condition, hold and wait condition, no preemption condition, circular wait, etc. And we'll also discuss in detail about memory management, different techniques of memory management such as overlays, swapping, paging, virtual memory, and demand paging. We'll know about what thrashing is and how to prevent thrashing with the help of working set model and page fault rate. We'll also cover I/O file management, which is input-output file management, and we'll discuss what RAID is. We'll discuss about the Bell-LaPadula model, which is for security. All right. So this is a pretty extensive course in less than 2 hours, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it. So wish you all the best through your journey of learning the operating system in this course. Thank you. See you in the next video.